Hey, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download the Daniel voice, or more commonly known as the MLG voice. When you're done, you will have a setup like this. First things first, you will need to download all the installation files. You will need to download the Daniel MLG voice, as well as the eSpeak setup. All of the links will be available in the description below. Once on these pages, you will just need to hit the big fat download button for each file. I'm going to skip this step because I have already downloaded them, as you can see here. If you're a Mac user, there is also an eSpeak file available below. Now I'm just going to close everything down. Then, I'm going to install the files, starting with Daniel. Install it how you would normally install any exe file. Your process may look slightly different. Now I'm installing eSpeak. Again, follow your normal install process. Once everything is done, you can restart your PC if you want. If you don't want to do that, you can go and locate the eSpeak text-to-speech application, and then open it up. As you can see here, I now have the eSpeak text-to-speech application, and you should as well. However, we are not done yet. If you want to use Daniel, make sure to change the voice to Daniel in the voice drop-down menu. It should look like this. Now that's all done, go ahead and test it by typing in the text box here. Test, and there we have it, a fully functioning Daniel MLG voice, which you can use for all the dank memes and tutorials you want. Alright, well that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If so, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you want to request any tutorials, just drop your suggestions in the comment section below.